How to know the ways to ignore when someone you dislike is around you. Sometimes, we find ourselves in situations where we no longer have positive feelings towards someone in our lives. It could be a former friend, a colleague, or even an acquaintance. Ignoring such a person can be challenging, especially when they are present in your immediate surroundings. Here are the most effective reactions to ignore when someone you dislike is around you. By learning to disregard these reactions, you can maintain your peace of mind and focus on positive interactions. Number 1. Provocation. When someone you dislike tries to provoke a reaction from you, it's essential not to take the bait. Ignoring their attempts to incite anger or frustration can diffuse tense situations and prevent unnecessary conflicts. Number 2. Insults or mean comments. If the person resorts to insults or mean comments to hurt your feelings or put you down, it's crucial to rise above their words. Recognize that their remarks are a reflection of their own insecurities and choose not to engage in a verbal battle. Your silence can speak volumes and demonstrate your emotional maturity. Number 3. Tricky behavior. When people you don't like try to control or influence you, using sneaky tricks, it's important to not let them succeed. By ignoring their manipulative actions, you show that you are independent and won't be easily swayed. Stay true to yourself and make decisions based on what you think is right. Number 4. Attention-seeking behavior. Some people try to get noticed by behaving in disruptive or attention-seeking ways. By not giving them the attention they want, you can discourage that kind of behavior. Instead, focus on positive interactions and activities that are important to you. Number 5. Dealing with passive-aggressive behavior or indirect expression of negative feelings. Passive-aggressive behavior can be annoying and exhausting. Instead of reacting to their indirect insults or insincere compliments, try to stay unaffected. By not getting involved in their passive-aggressive tactics, you take care of your emotional well-being and avoid getting caught up in their negativity. Number 6. Handling gossip and rumors. When someone you dislike spreads rumors or gossip, it's crucial to avoid getting caught up in it, or adding fuel to the negativity. By ignoring gossip, you demonstrate your integrity and refusal to participate in harmful discussions. Instead, focus on cultivating positive relationships built on trust and respect. Number 7. Comparisons or criticisms. If the person consistently compares you to others or criticizes your actions, it's best to ignore their remarks. Remember that their opinions do not define your worth or abilities. Focus on your own growth and surround yourself with individuals who appreciate and support you. Number 8. Jealousy or envy. Some people may display jealousy or envy towards your achievements or relationships. Instead of reacting to their negativity, continue to pursue your goals and celebrate your successes. By not allowing their jealousy to affect you, you maintain your motivation and drive. Number 9. Blame shifting. Individuals you dislike may try to shift blame onto others to avoid taking responsibility for their actions. Rather than engaging in a defensive argument, focus on maintaining your integrity. Refuse to be drawn into their blame game and instead concentrate on finding constructive solutions. Number 10. Constant interruptions. When someone you dislike frequently interrupts or talks over you, it's important to maintain your composure. Instead of engaging in a power struggle, calmly assert yourself, and express your need to be heard. By not letting their interruptions affect you, you demonstrate your assertiveness and respect for your own voice. Ignoring negative reactions when someone you dislike is around you, is essential for maintaining your emotional well-being and fostering positive interactions. Remember to try and understand that everyone has their own flaws and reasons for their behavior. This understanding can help you detach emotionally from their actions. Focus on your own growth and surround yourself with supportive individuals who uplift and appreciate you. If you want to discover more about yourself, please subscribe, like, share and hit the bell icon.